Hidden gems. 7 quirky Thailand secrets your guide missed. Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today, we're diving into the land of smiles, where the food is spicy, the beaches are stunning, and the surprises are just as plentiful. Here are 7 things about Thailand that may not make it into your travel brochure.
Let's begin. Number 1.
The enigmatic Som Tum and its secrets. Som Tum, or spicy green papaya salad, has a secret allure that many adore. It's akin to a salad with a personality. One bite can have your taste buds dancing while you wave your hand in front of your mouth like you've just uncovered a mythical beast. And let's just say, ordering it, Thai spicy, is not for the faint-hearted unless you relish the thrill of dragon breath.
Number 2.
The temple's enforcer dress code. When exploring a temple, there's a strict fashion guideline in place, because apparently, your style matters even when in the presence of Buddha. Think of it as a fashion runway with a side of spirituality. Come dressed like a monk, or you might find yourself unintentionally headlining a comedy show about inappropriate sandals.
Number 3.
Scary yet adorable animal encounters. Thailand is home to a plethora of wildlife, including adorable but slightly terrifying creatures. Ever seen a monkey steal someone's snack? It's like a cute version of a horror movie. Suddenly, that banana is a prized possession, and you're in a coconut heist situation. Just remember, they might be cuter than your ex, but they're definitely less trustworthy.
Number 4.
The amazing realm of Thai massage. Receiving a Thai massage can sometimes feel like being caught up in a gentle and occasionally fierce storm. When it's called a traditional massage, you might find your muscles being stretched in ways you never thought achievable. It resembles yoga, but instead of stretching gracefully, you're more likely to end up twisted like a pretzel on a roller coaster. So, take a deep breath, and perhaps have a backup plan for your chiropractor ready.
Number 5.
The land of radiant celebrations. Thailand lights up with festivals year-round, including the enchanting Loi Krathong, where people float beautifully decorated baskets on water to honor the goddess of water. If you happen to visit during Loi Krathong, prepare for a magical night filled with twinkling lights and floating lanterns. Just remember to hold onto your krathong tightly. You wouldn't want it to drift away, and definitely don't be surprised if someone warns you about that mischievous fish that's rumored to take a nibble or two.
Number 6.
The traffic tango. Navigating Thai traffic can feel like you've entered a real-life game of Tetris, where vehicles are the blocks. Forget everything you know about lanes and traffic regulations. Here, everyone dances to their own beat. If you're not honking, can you really call it driving? Just keep in mind, in Thailand, the horn isn't merely a horn, it's the start of a conversation.
Number 7.
The Spicy Food Olympics. Thai cuisine is renowned for its spiciness, but there's a skill to ordering without turning your mouth into a furnace. When you hear someone request medium spicy, it's as if they're asking for a gentle breeze while standing in front of a fire-breathing dragon. So, when in doubt, kick off your spice adventure with mild. You can always turn up the heat next time, just be ready for a sweatfest with your meal. So there you have it. Thailand is overflowing with unexpected delights and hilarious surprises that will create unforgettable memories, and perhaps a few battle scars from encounters with those cheeky monkeys. Thank you for exploring with me today, and remember, pack your sense of humor along with your swimsuit for your next visit. Questions? Feel free to ask. Just remember, what happens in Thailand stays in Thailand, except for that monkey incident. We don't talk about that.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.